Hi, I'm Tim Newman. I'm from DIPLOMICS. DIPLOMICS is a research infrastructure program in South Africa, and we are now the core supporter and backer of the Ubuntu Summer School program.
One of the main motivations why I came to this summer school was that originally I started working with image analysis, and I'm slowly moving towards proteomics. So I have a little gap there that I would like to fill. So by coming here, I hope to learn more about proteomics, especially like the bioinformatics side of things.
What I think the students can look forward to, and what I'm excited about, is the curriculum this week looks fantastic. It covers a broad range of topics, even introductory topics which are happening today, but more sophisticated, in-depth issues, even things like statistics. So I think that's great. But there are also planned social and networking events which give the students an opportunity to mingle and build friendships and partnerships.
Some of the opportunities that I'm mostly looking forward to are centered around networking. So meeting new people outside of UCT to hopefully foster collaboration with different groups. The relationship between the attendees and the facilitators is a friendly one, so we're encouraged to approach. It's a non-threatening environment, which is perfect for a first-time attendee like myself.
This school differs from other summer schools that I've attended and been a part of because it has a chill vibe. It's really accessible for students and colleagues to connect and grow, and it has very intentional curriculum that allows students to take what they don't know about their projects and bring it to the table with experts and learn from it.